country. And so I, secondly, would like to really thank those Kenyans who have been in the front line as far as donation of blood is concerned, some of whom we will recognize today. And as we head for Valentine's Day, what I would like to say is that if there is a gift, that would be a fantastic gift to give Kenyans on Valentine's Day, it would be blood. So I'm asking, if there is somebody who wants to give you flowers for Valentine's Day, can you tell them, in addition to the flowers that I very much appreciate, would you also go and donate some blood? And if I have to choose, if you have to make a choice between receiving flowers this Valentine's Day or receiving from your spouse or your Valentine a certificate to show that they donated blood, tell them, forfeit the flowers, give me a certificate of blood donation. For me, that's a fantastic Valentine's, is a fantastic Valentine's gift. And therefore, let us make it a habit. In fact, Dr. Duko proposed you should make it a habit on the 14th of every year. As people are going for dinner in the evening, they have no blood, they have no problem giving you blood or giving us blood, because every single person walking around this country has that gift in their veins, except for very few, those below 17 or those with all sorts of issues, because we also don't want you to give us a blood at your cost. We know that majority, 99% of our people, can be able to give blood and continue operating normally. As a matter of fact, I'm told by doctors that when you give blood, it in fact improves your health. Is that so, Dr.